Hi everyone, and welcome back to Benidorm. Today I'm in my favourite area, we're in the Old Town. I'm going to take a walk down one of the main sort of shopping streets here in Old Town, Jaime Avenue. Now, funny name that Jaime Avenue, ain't it? But the reason is, literally, I'll show you. I'm not sure if that's gonna come up, but this white building here is Hotel Jaime I. So, Jaime Avenue. So yeah, pretty busy today. Got a new supermarket gone in there where Don Dino used to be. Got, of course, Mike with us there. You feeling happy today?
I'm not happy about the ice cream last night.
Not happy about the ice cream?
Absolutely terrible, man.
Just taking a walk down Jaime Avenue. While I'm on this vid, I will say if you're enjoying the ghost hunts, stay tuned to the channel because there are two mega creepy ones coming up. Real creepy. Like proper creepy. Gonna be fun. Oh, this shop seems to have gone. The yellow shop, like we're sort of a bling shop, done like the bear bricks, stuff like that. Anyway, back to the ghost hunts. You will enjoy the next two I do. Like, they're gonna be awesome. Then in November I should have a special guest on them. Well, some special guests on them. God, a lot of shops down here have gone actually. Don't know what's happening. The little cafe here, cafe bakery place has gone. This little place here has gone. God. Is Benidorm starting to become a bit like it went in England? Like high streets just slowly dying? Because of course everything can be done online now. I mean, for crying out loud, last night while watching the football, they had the Just Eats Plus advert on, Just Eats, their new thing now. And basically you can get anything you want delivered with that. No, you don't even have to go out to do your shopping. Not crazy. Anyway, shop I love. This place right here. Domina Artesina. Absolute awesome place, guys. Check out that marble there, the Buddha. Always a great place, always helpful for when I do need some crystals, such as my tourmaline. This is a place I go, always great help. And any spiritual needs you have, they will help you out with it. God. Are we on like a bank holiday here or something? Like a lot of places that are normally open at this time shut. This cafe here's shut.
They just open a bit later, mate.
I mean, I don't know. I'll have a look at what time it is. It's about 35 past 12, if you can see that, guys. So, I don't know, maybe places are opening a bit later. Or maybe it's just places are given up for the year. Probably just thought it's not going to get any busier, so may as well just pull the shutters down and go on holiday. Wish I could do that, guys. Flip you back round. Of course, Jaime Avenue will probably be a bit busier in maybe about November. That's when we'll be having the Peñas and of course the Mascarettes, which takes up all this bit of road here. So hopefully the weather stays good. Fruit shop there. Hopefully the weather stays good in November, because I think from memory there's only actually been 1 year where the Masquerade has actually got cancelled due to bad weather. I think that were like a couple of years ago now, they got cancelled and rescheduled for April. But I don't think we will have bad weather. Fingers crossed, guys. Mainly because bad weather will ruin fancy dress day. People still might venture out, yeah, but they'd just be sat in all the bars. Nice hotel there, Golden Hotel, not bad. Then of course, keep on walking down Jaime Avenue, you do eventually come to the best view in Benidorm, which is of course the view out across over the Mediterranean Sea, out across Ponente Beach, and of course I think the crossing down the bottom here was the one used on Benidorm. I'm not entirely too sure. And the hell? Seems to be something weird in the sea, which I might catch on another vid. But yeah, that's Jaime Avenue. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.